How to post longer video reels on Instagram. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So initially, before the update was rolled out, in Instagram, you could only record reels which were 15 seconds long. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, by default, Instagram will only let me shoot clips and parts of reels, but at the end you can see on the top over here that the limit is set to a maximum of 15 seconds. But after the new update has been rolled out, you can now change that. So let me just discard this video, and once I do that, you can see on the bottom or on the left column, you can see this option 15, 30, 60. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now all you have to do is click on 30 if you want a 30-second long reel, or you can even shoot a minute for a minute, which is quite amazing in my opinion. It was nice that Instagram has rolled out this update, and yeah, it's very useful. So now that I've put it on 60, you can see that the limit is now set till 1 minute. I can shoot and even do all the things that you could do earlier, which is adjust the speed, add music. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure you comment on the video, like the video, and also subscribe for further updates. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.